What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy YGTJ back again with another video at the shop. So I remember in the last video I was looking under the hood and I was saying everything checked out, like there was no problems and stuff. Psych! But I was wrong. Because when I actually left to head home, I tried to turn on the AC and it started coming out the defroster. So instead of coming out of the vents, like boom, 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 everything was coming out up here. Like no matter what setting I had it on, 8 max, normal, all that stuff, it was all just coming out up there. So I'm like, I gotta fix this. I called him. I was like, yeah, so my air is messing up now. Everything's coming out of my defroster, and that wasn't happening before you guys worked on the car. So is that something you can fix or what? And then he was like, yeah. And I was like, well, I'm already on the road, so it'd be kind of a hassle for me to turn back around. I'm not really trying to do that. So he said I can bring it to a location here in Kansas City and they can fix it for free. So I'm here in Kansas City at the location and they about to be fixing this motherfucker. I ain't tell them it's gonna be free yet, but when they get done, I'm gonna be like, yeah, old boy said it's gonna be free. That's how you do it. So of course, thing about to go right back in the shop.
You looking kind of nice though, am I going to lie?
That bad boy. Can't get it in neutral. I know the struggle, bro. Jeez. Bye bye. Finished in like no time, bro. I'm sure what the problem was. And basically, these vacuum rods control like the AC, and it was broken right there where that black hose is. So we just put that black hose on it to make sure it wasn't losing any suction, and voila, let's check this out. Can we get the vent? Woo! There we go. The floor. Yes, sir. Defroster. Woo! What's that, bro? AC, hey. Midas got me right. No charge. Yes, sir. It's a good day.